BBAI NYSE Technical Market Analysis as of 2026-01-30. 1.0 Current Market Snapshot and Executive Overview. This report provides a detailed technical evaluation of BBAI Holdings, Inc. (BBAI) common stock based on market data as of January 30, 2026, and an analysis of the preceding 60 trading days. Understanding the current technical posture of an equity requires a comprehensive view that goes beyond a single metric. Therefore, this analysis employs a multi-indicator approach, examining trend, momentum, volatility, and volume to construct a well-rounded perspective on the stock's market standing. Symbol/exchange, BBAI, NYSE. Analysis date, 2026-01-30. Current price, $5.52. 52-week range, $2.36 to $10.36. The current technical posture of BBAI is predominantly bearish, characterized by negative signals across key trend-following indicators and a recent significant price decline of negative 8.15%. This downward move was accompanied by above-average volume, suggesting strong conviction among sellers. This bearish outlook is contrasted, however, by compelling evidence from momentum oscillators, which indicate the stock has entered a deeply oversold condition. Furthermore, trend strength indicators are exceptionally weak, suggesting a non-trending or range-bound market structure, despite the recent drop. This report will now proceed with a more detailed examination, beginning with an in-depth analysis of the stock's price trends. 2.0 Trend and Price Action Analysis. Trend analysis serves as the cornerstone of technical evaluation, identifying the dominant market direction and the health of price movements. A stock trading in a clear uptrend or downtrend presents different opportunities and risks than one moving sideways. This section assesses BBAI's trend health using a combination of moving averages and key trend-following indicators to provide a clear picture of its short, medium, and long-term trajectory. 2.1 Moving Average Crossover Analysis. Moving averages smooth out price data to create a single flowing line, making it easier to identify the underlying trend direction. The relationship between short-term and long-term averages provides valuable buy or sell signals. Moving average signals. Time horizon, indicator pair, signal. Short-term trend. Current price, $5.52 versus SMA 20, $5.98, bearish. Medium-term trend, SMA 50, $6.04 versus SMA 100, $6.36, bearish. Long-term trend, SMA 50, $6.04 versus SMA 200, $5.70, mixed or weakening. The signals from the moving averages paint a progressively bearish picture. In the short term, the current price of $5.52 is trading decisively below its 20-day simple moving average of $5.98. For the medium term, the 50-day SMA, $6.04, is below the 100-day SMA, $6.36, a classic bearish alignment. While the long-term 50-day SMA remains above the 200-day SMA, $5.70, a traditionally bullish long-term signal, its relevance is severely diminished as the current price is trading below both of these key averages. 2.2 Trend Strength and Direction. Beyond identifying the trend's direction, it is crucial to measure its underlying strength. A strong trend is more likely to persist, while a weak trend may be prone to reversal. The average directional indicator, ADX 14 provides a clear measure of trend strength, and its current reading of 11.42 indicates an extremely weak or non-existent trend. This low value, corroborated by the trend strength score of 0.143, suggests market indecisiveness despite the recent downward price action. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator, MACD, confirms the bearish direction. Its value of negative 0.073 is below its signal line of negative 0.048, and the resulting negative histogram, negative 0.026, shows bearish momentum is in control. The Arun indicator presents a mixed but ultimately bearish-leaning picture. While the high Arun up 64.00 indicates the 25-period high was reached relatively recently, the negative Arun oscillator, negative 21.43, demonstrates that the trend's more recent momentum is to the downside. Having assessed the weak and predominantly bearish trend, we now turn to the momentum indicators that measure the velocity of these recent price changes. 3.0 Momentum and Oscillator Assessment. Momentum indicators are essential tools for gauging the speed and strength of price movements. They help identify overbought or oversold conditions, which can signal potential turning points in the market. This section evaluates whether BBAI's recent price decline has reached an extreme and assesses the conviction behind the move. 3.1 Relative Strength Index (RSI) Analysis. The 14-period Relative Strength Index (RSI 14) currently stands at 42.30. A reading below the center line of 50 indicates that bearish momentum is prevailing. However, this value is not yet in the typically defined oversold territory, below 30, suggesting that while sellers are in control, the stock is not yet at a classic exhaustion point, according to this specific indicator. 3.2 Stochastic and CCI Oversold Signals. While the RSI shows bearish momentum, other key oscillators are painting a more extreme picture. The Williams %R has a reading of negative 85.27. Values below negative 80 are considered deeply oversold and signal that the stock is trading near the bottom of its recent range. This is reinforced by the Commodity Channel Indicator, CCI 20, which at negative 110.70 also indicates a strong oversold condition. In contrast, the stochastic oscillator is neutral, with its %K at 43.93 and %D at 45.74, failing to confirm the extreme readings from the other oscillators. In synthesis, a critical divergence exists among the momentum indicators. While the RSI indicates simple bearish momentum, both the Williams %R and CCI are flashing strong oversold signals. This conflict often implies that a recent price move was too rapid and aggressive, setting the stage for a period of consolidation or a corrective bounce. This divergence suggests that establishing new short positions at current levels carries a higher risk of a sharp reversal, while aggressive counter-trend traders may begin to watch for signs of bullish confirmation for a short-term trade. We will now examine the market volatility that has contributed to these conditions. 4.0 Volatility and Risk Evaluation. Volatility measures the magnitude of a security's price fluctuations and is a critical component of risk assessment. High volatility implies greater price swings and higher risk, while low volatility suggests more stability. This section utilizes Bollinger Bands and the Average True Range (ATR) to quantify BBAI's recent price stability and potential for future price swings. 4.1 Bollinger Bands (BB) Analysis. Bollinger Bands consist of a middle band, a simple moving average, and two outer bands representing standard deviations. They provide a dynamic view of volatility. Indicator value: BB upper band $6.49, BB middle band $5.98, BB lower band $5.47. The current price of $5.52 is trading very close to the lower Bollinger Band of $5.47, a level that often acts as dynamic support. More significantly, the sharp contraction in the Bollinger Band width to 0.171 following the negative 8.15% decline indicates an abrupt shift from high volatility to consolidation. This squeeze condition suggests the market is pausing to digest the recent move and often precedes the next directional leg. 4.2. Price range and volatility.